like them. Jamming on the beat. Suss me out and then make like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. It's good to see you. And today I have my luxury Divas. And now they just come in a plain white bag. They used to come in a box, but to save money and so they didn't have to raise prices, they put it in a plain white box. Now, luxury Divas, if you want one box, I believe it's $40. But if you want to subscribe, it's $35. And that includes shipping. And you're guaranteed to get over $100 value. And a lot of people say if you, and you can unsubscribe at any time. You know, so you're not locked in for a year or whatever. You can unsubscribe at any time. And, oh, here's my glasses. We're good to go. So a lot of, what I tell people is go ahead and subscribe. And then if you don't want it, unsubscribe. Save that $5. These are the times upon us. Okay, and this time, it's $132. And I kind of smashed this up because I had it sitting over there and a pile of stuff on top of it. So, your retail value is $122. So, I shall go through this. Oh, here's my shipping pack. I was just looking to see if it had price on it, but it doesn't. Yeah, so there's your shipping pack. Okay, and the first thing I'm grabbing is this billet. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Something went flying across. Oh, it's silica. Silica, it's alright. Just the silica. And it's plus size rose water. And it's a cami. And I don't wear these. I really don't. Because when you're plus size, you know, this is just not enough. I mean, you can wear it under stuff, but, you know, I have big old boobs, and I just don't feel comfortable. I'm an old school girl, and I just don't feel comfortable. I mean, you can wear them under with the shirt over it, and that's great, but I'm hot-blooded. So I don't really like to layer. Because those layers start coming off, then I would be down in a cami, and that ain't good. That is not good. And that has a value of $25. And it is well made. I mean, it's got a lot of elasticity to it. Let me take this little stuff off here. And this must be, let's see what it says. Yeah, this is probably your versatile tapered scarf vest. Now, I don't know what a scarf vest exactly is. Oh, I guess it is a scarf vest. I knew. When I asked my friend Glenda what a scarf vest was the other day, she told me that it was like those, I don't know. She told me it was like those, but it's not. It's a vest. Let's see if I can find the other sleeve. Oh, my arms do not do that anymore. And then it just kind of wraps around your neck too. Well, I didn't do it right, but you know what I mean. Oh, I see. It goes like this. And then it just goes, ta-da. And then you can pin it here. That's, hey, I could be Maud. I could be Maud now. I don't know. I have to look at the pictures of how to actually wear this thing. Because I'm thinking, oh gosh, I'm going to be Maud. Anybody remember Maud? You might want to look her up on the internet because she was kind of funny and still appropriate. Actually, it's more appropriate now than it was a couple years ago. And that has a $25 or $32 value. If I can find a picture of how you're supposed to wear that, I'll put it right here. Then we have crystal stone silver plated earrings. I do like their jewelry. It does hold up. Let me take it out of the package. It does. It always holds up. And these, let's see if I can get them both going the right way. Maybe. Maybe she can, maybe she can't. Okay, this is the right way. What the heck? I don't know if that's the right way. I think it is. Yeah, that's the right way because that's the way the gyms are looking, I think. But it might be. Oh, it's this way. That's the way it is. Yeah, see, it's got the solid through your ear thing. So you honestly could wear them either way, I guess. But yeah, that's the way they go. See, they have that kind of clippy hook. I like those because you don't lose those as often. It's kind of like a little hoop with a dangle on it. So those are nice. And those are $24 value. Then in here, we have a Blush and Glow powder blush and bronzer. I don't know if it's a bronzer or a highlighter. I can't tell. Let's see if I can open it. I have such a hard time with this stuff. Hold on. Hold on. I got it. It's got tape. Come on. Work with me here. There we go. And that's, here, I'll just, those are the colors. This is, yeah, would be a highlighter. This is a little light. And then I got a necklace. Oh, this is not on here. On the thing is hand and body lotion. So I don't, this took the place of it. So I don't know. And maybe I did have a necklace that went flying. I found it. I found it. And this is, I lost my paper. Oh, here it is. And this, oh, goodness. This is a sterling silver plated circle pendant chain bracelet. And it's valued at $28. Okay, here we go. It comes in a little organza bag. And let's see what it does. Oh, it just got a plain circle on it. That's what it said. Circle bracelet. That's what it is, a circle bracelet. And here's the clip. I don't know if I can get it on there, but I'm going to try. Because sometimes I can do them and sometimes I can't. Because I suck at these. I suck at them, I suck at them, I suck at them. Anyway, I'll, if I can get somebody to put it on me, I will show you. Anyway, feel free to come back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Glad to have you. And I do like this. I love their jewelry. Anyway, come on back. Bye.